Having trouble activating your Metro by T-Mobile eSIM? First, ensure your device is eSIM compatible. Most modern phones, like recent iPhones XS and newer and Android models, support eSIM. Activation problems often stem from software glitches or network issues. The most common fix involves regenerating the QR code through Metro's website or app, as corrupted codes are a frequent cause. When scanning, try using Google Lens instead of the default camera app, as this resolved 85% of similar Pixel cases in 2024. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is recommended during the activation process. After scanning, restart your device. If activation still fails, update your Metro by T-Mobile app to the latest version. Recent updates like version 25.8.0 released in July 2025 include patches that fix scanning errors, reducing failures by approximately 30%. Even after successful activation, you might face no data or slow speed issues. This often relates to incorrect APN settings. Metro by T-Mobile's correct APN is fast.tmobile.com with MCC 310 and MNC 260. Manually configure these settings in your phone's mobile network options, ensuring no proxy or port settings interfere. On Android devices like Samsung, navigate to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks to access APN settings. On iPhones, go to Settings, Cellular Data Network to configure APN. If you're in a rural area, network congestion can cause delays. Try activating your eSIM via Wi-Fi instead. If problems persist, contact Metro by T-Mobile support for manual provisioning. Note that transferring an eSIM to a different device requires carrier approval, as it's tied to the device's IMEI. For older devices, hybrid SIM eSIM options might offer better compatibility. Keep your carrier settings updated through the Metro app to avoid future connectivity problems.